Today I'm thrilled to dive into the topic of creative cooking and how meal prep can turn into a wonderful family bonding adventure. Now, I know meal preparation can sometimes feel like a routine task, but today we'll explore how you can make it a fun, engaging, and educational experience for your children. By doing this, not only will you be teaching them important life skills, but you'll also be strengthening your family bonds. First, let's talk about why involving children in the kitchen is so beneficial. Cooking, as many of us know, is more than about creating meals. It's about understanding nutrition, learning responsibility, and developing a sense of independence. When you involve your kids in meal preparation, you give them the opportunity to develop these essential skills. They learn how to follow instructions, measure ingredients, and understand the importance of sustenance. These are critical life skills that will serve them well in the future. Let's dive into some tips to make meal prep fun and engaging. One of the best ways to get children excited about cooking is to create themed dinner nights. Imagine turning your ordinary Tuesday dinner into a Taco Tuesday fiesta or a Wacky Waffle Wednesday for breakfast. By assigning a theme to meals, you give your kids something to look forward to and spark their creativity. Additionally, themes can be educational. Consider incorporating cultural nights where you can explore foods from different countries together. This not only makes cooking fun, but broadens their horizons. Encouraging the creation of unique family recipes is another exciting way to involve everyone in the kitchen. Start by asking your children for their ideas on what ingredients they'd like to combine, or try to create something new together from scratch. This not only boosts their creativity, but also enhances their decision-making skills. Name these new concoctions after your family or child: Sam's special sauce or Lily's lovely lasagna. Creating a family recipe book can also be a cherished keepsake and a wonderful way to track your culinary adventures together. Next, let's address the importance of communication and teamwork while cooking. As you chop, stir, and bake together, you inherently learn to communicate better. Assign roles to each family member, ensuring everyone knows what they're responsible for. Perhaps someone sets the table while another assists in mixing. This teamwork will teach your children how to collaborate effectively, a skill that helps not just in the kitchen, but also in various aspects of life. Now, you might wonder how to involve children of different ages. For younger kids, consider allowing them to assist with simple tasks, like washing vegetables or stirring batter. As they grow, you can give them more responsibility, like assembling simple dishes or even cooking basic recipes under your guidance. This gradual increase in responsibilities encourages their independence and instills a sense of ownership in the meal preparation process. Cooking together also positively impacts family dynamics. It provides an opportunity for family members to spend quality time together, communicate openly, and share experiences. The act of creating something collectively extends beyond the kitchen to forge stronger family relationships, and the satisfaction of enjoying a meal you've all created is unparalleled. As we conclude this episode, I hope you're inspired to try these ideas in your own kitchens. Remember, the goal is not just to prepare a meal, it's to create memories and strengthen the ties that bind you and your kids. Even if you're not a seasoned home chef, the act of inviting your children to join you in the kitchen is what matters. Make mealtime a joyful and educational experience that everyone looks forward to. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Bonding Through Home Chores. I encourage you to explore new recipes, try fun themes, and most importantly, enjoy the time spent with your children. Happy cooking and happy bonding. Until next time, take care.